Blackheads and dull-looking skin? Alam ko, tempting pisilin. Pero please, huwag nating gawing mas irritated ang skin. Pwede nating itry itong simple mask for a fresh and smoother peeling finish. 1 tablespoon rice flour gives the mask a slightly grainy texture so it can provide mild physical exfoliation. 1 tablespoon tomato. Tomato contains antioxidant like lycopene, pero applying fresh tomato directly to the skin doesn't guarantee brighter skin and it can irritate sensitive skin. 1 teaspoon oats. Oats are commonly used in gently skincare and can help the skin feel softer and more comfortable. 1 tablespoon water. Just enough para maging smooth and easy to spread ang mixture. Add everything into a clean bowl and mix until you get a soft paste. If too thick, add a few drops of water. Ang goal is soft and spreadable, hindi yung kailangan mong kuskusin sa paste para lang ma-apply. Apply a thin layer to the clean skin and avoid your eyes and lips. Leave it on for around 5 to 10 minutes. Hindi kailangan hintayin ng sobrang tight or dry ang peeling. Then, rinse gently with lukewarm water. And please, no aggressive scrubbing. Pat your skin dry and follow with your favorite gently moisturizer. After rinsing, your skin may feel softer, smoother, cleaner feeling, less rough, and more refreshed. This DIY mask may temporarily improve how your skin feels and looks, pero hindi nito permanently matatanggal ang clog inside your pores. If blackheads are a regular problem, a properly formulated skincare product with proven acne care ingredients may be more helpful than repeatedly scrubbing your skin. Patch test first and never use this on broken or irritated skin. Remember, more scrubbing doesn't mean better results. So kung tempted kang pisilin ang blackheads mo today, pause mo muna.